believe it or not. We are actually sailing. It's leisurely at 3.5 knots still.
2.6.
2.6 now. And apparent wind is 6, but we're in 8. True, we're not in a hurry. Didn't bother with the screecher. Just the head sail. Or a main. But we did lift up the anchor and put out the head sail all without the engines. It was all very quiet.
We're in stealth mode.
No one knows we're coming. We're in stealth mode. We wouldn't even know we're coming, really. We've departed Mixed Patch, and now we're heading south for Current Cut between Eleuthera and Current Islands, to anchor about half a nautical mile north of the cut to wait a favourable current to safely pass through.
The little island's called Lobster Key.
Lobster Key. We're going that slow, we could probably check out if there are lobsters on the bottom. You can drag behind the boat. Pleasant. Gives us a chance to be moving spots while just chilling out and taking it all in. It's nice. Dustin's definitely taking it in.
Thinking about getting a coffee actually.
Do you want a coffee?
Yeah.
I'll go get it.
Winner. That's a win right there.
Look how fast that bit of weed's going. It's going faster than us. Clearly we're going the wrong direction.
Really crawling now.
So as we get closer, you're going to hope that we keep moving forward.
Hopefully, but the wind might completely die and we'll have to engine on. Otherwise, if we can just keep going forward even at a knot, when we're ready to anchor. Hello?
Yeah.
When we're ready to anchor.
I'm listening and looking ahead in fear. Yep.
When we're ready to anchor, we'll turn into the wind.
Mm-hmm.
That'll essentially stall the boat. The head sail will start to luff. I'll start wrapping it up. You'll be controlling the sheet, although there's not much that you'll have to do. The wind's dying, really dying. And you'll use the foot pedal here to drop the anchor.
Oh, okay.
Once the head sail's rolled up, I'll then go forward and do the anchor from the bow.
Okay. So the usual furl up where I'm releasing it, you're rolling it up.
Yep.
Except for when you say to drop, I'll drop it with the foot pedals.
Mm-hmm.
Do we know what's up and down?
This one's down. You've marked them.
Oh, but yeah, okay, good. So you can control the anchor at the helm.
Beat that, 8 knots. We're doing 2.4 and 8 knots. Beat that, people. Everyone's always worried about doing wind speed. We're doing less than wind speed. Ha!
It's like a backwards universe. Upside down world. Speaking of, I'm going to make an upside down cake tonight. Because we bought 2 pineapples in...
By we, you mean you?
I bought 2 pineapples in Miami, and I do check my veg, but for the pineapples...
Laura doesn't check her veg.
I do. I glanced my eyes over the top of these two, though.
She kind of glances in the direction of... She kind of looks over there. Oh yeah, it looks fine. Josh doesn't actually take it out and look at it.
No smell.
Just,
I did thoroughly clean everything, but anyway.
She looks from her bed towards the door.
Half of the pineapple was
Can you
gone.
go over there? I need to...
So we had to save it, and we've cut it all up and we're going to make use of it with an upside down cake. It's remaining 3.5. The apparent wind's 13.5. We're sped up 3.8.
Roll out some more.
So we're having a gust of 14.
So as soon as that gets to the marker, you're going to have to go standby and hand steer.
Yeah.
Hand steer.
Yeah. To away to wind.
You'll just be hand steering for the moment. Just keep an eye on where the wind is.
Yeah.
Speed.
3.9. Depth 4.2. Distance 0.11.
I'll have you steer into the wind a bit.
Okay.
Steer into it harder. Okay, so when you're steering here, you're going to have to make them quick and snappy.
Yeah.
Not just little turns. We want to go quickly into the wind, quickly away.
Yeah, I'm aiming for this white house.
Yeah. Yep.
4,
Speed.
3, 5, 24 meters. 75.
No rocks through here on the chart.
No.
Okay.
Depth 4-1, speed 3-4.
Steer away a little bit. Pull that in a little bit. Use your thing at the bottom.
Straightening up.
Speed.
2-5, depth 4-1,
Okay.
wind angle 60. Winds at 60. 2-8.
Pull this in a little. Bit more.
Winds at 50.
Speed.
2-3,
Yep.
3-3.
Okay, when that hits 3, you steer straight into the wind.
3 meters.
Yep.
Okay, we're at 3 meters.
Steer straight into
Steering into the wind.
the wind. And we're going to furl.
Okay.
Hard turn into the wind.
We're at 50 wind. Depth's 2-5.
Yep. Let it go a little bit, please. I can't pull it at all.
Yep.
Yep.
2-5.
Drop anchor. That's enough. Stop. Stop.
I've stopped.
Straighten the rudders.
Straightened.
Yep.
2-5. Can I come out?
Okay. What?
Oh, so it just bagged a bit.
Huh?
It bagged a bit.
Yeah. Go and check that.
I don't think we've moved. Depth 2-5. With semi-clear water, you can actually
Got it?
see your anchor. That was 10 meters on bow then.
20 meters coming through, ready to put on the thing.
Okay, I'm checking depth. Depth 2-5.
Where's the thing?
The anchor.
Chain. Yeah. Put this on.
Oh. Sorry, something's not working. Oh. Okay, on.
Going down.
Yep. It's quite a flat rock though, isn't it?
Grab that sheet,
Yeah?
down a bit so we can fill that last corner.
Yeah. Okay.
Hold on. A bit more. Okay. That's it.
Okay. Shut up shop.
Next time, we continue through the cut and head for Hatchet Bay Harbour.